If your smoke alarm starts chirping in the middle of the night, it's one of the most frustrating sounds you'll ever deal with. The first thing you should know is that smoke detectors don't beep for no reason. That chirp usually means something is wrong. Either the battery is failing, the unit is dirty, or it's simply too old. Start by checking the label on the side of your detector. Every smoke alarm has a replacement date printed on it, and most are only good for about 10 years. If yours expired years ago, that's likely the reason it asks beeping, and the safest move is to replace it with a new one. If the date checks out, then the battery is the next thing to look at. Most detectors are hardwired into your home, but they still have a backup battery inside. When that battery gets weak, the alarm will chirp every 30 seconds to remind you. The right way to handle this is simple. Turn off the breaker to the alarm, twist the detector off the ceiling, and gently pull it down. Don't rip at the wires. Most models have tabs you can press to release them safely. Once the unit is off, remove the battery, then press and hold the test button for about 10 to 20 seconds. That drains the leftover power stored inside the detector and silences it completely. Then just put in a fresh battery, reattach the unit, and test it again. If it gives a strong beep when you press the button, it's good to go. Sometimes though, a new battery isn't the fix. Dirt or dust inside the detector can cause false chirps too. If that's the case, carefully open the cover, use a can of compressed air or a small vacuum attachment and clean out the inside. Put it back together, and most of the time the problem disappears. At the end of the day, if your alarm is clean, has a new battery, and is still chirping, it's probably just too old. Replace it with a new one, and you'll save yourself a lot of late-night frustration. A good rule is to check all your smoke alarms twice a year, for example, whenever you change your clocks for daylight savings. That's it. See you in the next video.